What's going on, y'all? Hope you're having a great day, morning, or evening. It's your boy Playmaker Way with the playbook, and y'all read the title, man. This simple forex strategy that works on every pair. Now, this is your first time on the channel. Welcome. I appreciate you giving this video a chance. Make sure to hit that bell and sub button because we don't just post weekly content like this, but we also live stream and live trade every day. London session 3 a.m. EST on this very same channel. Now, as you can see, like I said, this works on every pair. We see NAS 100, same results, huge 1 to 5 risk reward, another huge 1 to 5 risk reward. We look at GU, again, nice 1 to 3, nice 1 to 3, nice 1 to 4. We go to GN, nice 1 to 2, huge 1 to 3, huge 1 to 4. We look at GJ, huge 1 to 5, almost 1 to 6. This is the trade we're going to be breaking down, though. This huge GU trade, 1 to 4 risk reward ratio. So in this case, that means whatever we risk, we made 4 times that amount. For example, if I risked $100, I made $400. If I risked $1,000, I made $4,000 off this one trade alone. And not only did we break this trade down during Friday's London session live, but me and the members also entered this and caught this huge move. Again, you see the date, to the time we entered, entry, TPs, SL, you see the TPs getting hit, the New York price watches where I broke down the GU trade as well as what to expect and look for going into New York session. Then you see the rest of the TPs getting hit. And again, when we look at that video, this is what price was looking like prior to this retracement and continue push to the upside. We also have a free signal, free Telegram. As you can see right here, this is how we did last month for May. We went 16 and 4, giving us an 80% win rate, cost 69,396 pips. You can see this by going to June 3rd. You can also see some student results and testimonial, and over 1,000 receipts of screenshots of student results, testimonials, screenshots of actual position of trades I took, screenshots of signals I called, all that good stuff. So make sure to hit that first link in the description and check all that stuff out. Now, that's how we did last month. Now, how we did quarter 1 to start the year off, we went 53 and 4, giving us a 93% win rate. January, we went 20 and 0, catching 37,620 pips. February, we went 17 and 1, catching 24,403 pips. Then March, we went 16 and 3, catching 49,783 pips, catching a total of 111,806 pips. You can see this by scrolling to April 4th. You click right here. You click right here, so we'll take you to the beginning of the year. Now let's go ahead and get straight into this video. So now let's break down why I took this GU buy and how you can catch a similar setup just like this one. So the first thing I always tell my members and students is you need to identify the trend, but you don't need to just identify the trend. You need to identify the trend on the bigger time frame. The bigger time frame is going to tell you not just the direction price is going overall, but the overall bias, where the smaller time frame is only going to tell you what price is doing at that exact moment. Both are important, but if you're looking for buys, you should be looking for buys because price is going up or in the uptrend. If you're looking for sells, you should be looking for sells because price is heading down overall and is in a downtrend. If you don't understand how to identify the trend, pause this video, click the one that just popped up on your screen, because it's very important to understand how trends work, because that's going to help you understand what to go for, what not to go for. So you can see we had nice bearish momentum here. Then we have this reversal, and we see price starting to make a new higher high. The price is going to continue the uptrend. Now we need to figure out where we're going to look for buys at and where we're not going to look for buys at. And we're going to figure that out once we mark off our key price levels. So boom, as you can see here, we have our key price levels marked off, and you can see here that is a very strong resistance level. For the trend to continue, we need to break this resistance level and treat it as a support. So we can break this resistance level, treat it as support. Not only can we see the uptrend continue, but we can catch that new higher high at the beginning, just like how this resistance level got turned to a support, and just like how this resistance level again got turned into a support. So now that we have our key price levels marked off and we know where we're going to look for buys at, now is when we go into the smaller time frame to look for that confirmation. So this is where price is currently at. Again, this is a nice move we caught on Thursday. So for the uptrend to continue, this resistance level needs to be treated as support, and if it can hold that support, that's where we're going to pull the trigger. You see it's being treated as resistance. Now you see it broke the level, and now you see it's being held as support. So once I saw price broke this level and started to hold that support, that's when I pulled the trigger and called the signal out to the members. And we can see that literally here. We look at the time I posted this signal, 4:50 a.m. And then we look at the time here. This was the 40. This was the 445 candlestick, and within the 445 candlestick is the 450 candlestick. But if we go into an even smaller time frame, we can see here at 450 was when price was holding this level of support and doing the retest. So that's when we pulled the trigger. And once we saw price hold that level of support, the rest was history. We just had to let price do his thing and secure and hold our profits. So we'll see here when price hit this level, it rejected, but it continued to respect our initial entry level as support. And then after that, it broke this resistance level, started trading as support, and then flew to the upside. And again, the rest was history. It's literally that simple, y'all. You identify the trend, you go with the flow of price. If we're in an uptrend, only look for buys. Downtrend, only look for sells. Enter buys off support, sells off resistance, and you just let price do its thing. When you don't try to fight price and you just go with the flow of price, you're going to start to win a lot more trades, lose a lot less trades, and also trades just going to become a lot simpler and smoother for y'all. And then when we go into the daily time frame, we can see that we literally caught, like we talked about at the beginning, the higher high, and we caught the entire daily candlestick for the day. So when you trade like this, you don't just catch a quick move, you catch the entire move for the day. Beautiful, 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 beautiful setup. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Make sure to hit that first link in the description, join the free Signal Room, free Telegram. If you're interested in learning how to identify these levels, my Signal Room services, or my mentorship program, make sure to hit those links in the description. But before you make a decision, let me tell you a little bit about those details. Advanced Play Signal Room, we trade Tokyo session exclusively with the members. We trade London session and then New York. Just like the Sunday chart analysis I drop in the free Signal Room, I drop one every day during New York session called the New York Price Watch List. This is where I go over the trades we took during Tokyo session, London session, and possible setups going into New York. I don't just say we're looking for buys or looking for sells. I explain why we're looking for buys, why we're looking for sells, and then I take it a step further and go over key price points to look for entries and exits on. As you can see here, I call this signal. You see I'm walking y'all through what's going on with the trades we're in. I'm giving y'all updates to what I talked about in the New York Price Watch List. And then of course you see me showing y'all screenshots to visually show y'all what's going on behind the scenes, or what I see on my end behind the scenes. All right, we also have exclusive live streams that we go live during New York news events at least twice a week. And just like the London session lives, if you missed the live, they're recorded and posted in here so you can watch them when you get a chance. You have access to over 500 videos of daily chart analysis and weekly live streams. And in fact, you have access to even the ones last year in 2022. Then there's also the pinned messages like the account size key, the student and member group chat, and much more. Now, I also have the course, of course. The course doesn't just teach you my trading strategy, it also teaches you how to read the charts, because that's what I teach y'all. You saw I had no indicators, no trend lines. It's simply just market flow and trading and entering and exiting off key price levels. Now, all the stuff that I just went over, you get access to all that stuff in the course channel. So that way, not only do you have the step-by-step playbook of how to look and read any chart at all times, but you have ongoing chart analysis, ongoing education for life. Now, I also have one-on-one sessions. One-on-one sessions also comes with access to the Advanced Play Signal Room and the student member group chat. That way you can earn while you learn, but then you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded an hour long, but you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded and are an hour long, and they're sent to you same day. Those are yours to keep for life. So if you're interested in that, hit those links in the description. If y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram at playmaker_way. Also make sure to follow me on there, and TikTok _playmakerway_. I post daily on both pages. And I'll see y'all next time I'm live or next time I post a video. Peace. We out.